What's going on? Huh? What's going on, sweetie? Where's your carrot? Get your carrot. Where's your carrot? Where's Mr. Blue? Go get Mr. Blue. Go get Mr. Blue. Go ahead. Get Mr. Blue. Get Mr. Blue. Yay, Mr. Blue! Let me have it. Come on. Yay, Kobe! Mr. Blue! Come on.
Where's your bone?
Get your bone.
Where's your bone?
Get your bone. Kobe, get your bone.
Where is it?
Get your bone.
In less than a week, he's been on national television. He's had
Where's your soccer ball?
and he was spotted.
Where's your soccer ball?
Kardashian.
Get your soccer ball. Go ahead. Where's your soccer ball?
After all the attention
Yay! Get your soccer ball. Come on. Let me have your soccer ball.
And I was driving here today.
Get your soccer ball.
Outside, I can't believe I saw my writer Amy.
Get your soccer ball.
Is she still there?
Kobe,
Amy, are you out?
go get your bunny. Get your bunny. Kobe, get your bunny. Get your bunny. Where's your bunny? Get your bunny.
Well, that's not going to work, I don't think.
Yay! There's your bunny!